So most of let's just write PHP here. I don't know what's going on here. New PHP file. Okay, now let's close this one, and then this is the PHP basically. Okay, so let's speak about data types. So one of them, what is this? Data types. So one of the most important concept of programming that is data type. Like there's a lot of data type in any programming language, but most of them have is the same other one. So the first type is string. So let's see how we declare string in PHP. So this my variable. So now string is declared as double quote, and then my string, and let's output it using echo and then my variable this. So my string, right? So you can either use a single quote or you can use a double quote. So firstly we use a single quote. Now let's use we use a double quote. Now let's use a single quote. Same thing. So declaring a string is string is one of the data type in PHP, and you can declare it by using double quote or single quote. It doesn't make any difference. So that is a one type. Then another type is integer, like two, like this, right? Two, right? So integer. Secondary type is an integer. So in PHP, as we mentioned, we don't have to declare what type of variable is we're using. We just write, like if it's a string, you use double quote or single quote, and if you use integer or float, you can directly assign a value. So if you are using an integer, just write 22 type. Now let's print it, echo, and then my variable, let's echo this variable. So this is showing this variable. So how we can confirm that it's an integer? For that we can use for and dump, and then my variable. Now let's see, it's saying it's an integer. Now let's uncomment this one and comment this one. Let's see now what the thing is showing is a string. So it's still working, right? So this is a two kind of variable. Now data type. Now let's see third type. So this is a third type, and that is float. So basically what float is, like it's a decimal number, right? Like how much you're earning. Like say I'm earning like a 10k point 22 cent per month. Now let's echo it, my variable this. Alright, it's showing output, and for confirmation let's use pardon, and then we can use my variable. Let's see, it's a float type, right? So it's third type. So like that we have other type in PHP. I'm gonna just list it here. First is string, integer, then a float, also boolean type like true or false, array, like array is like some same kind of type of data type, then object, then null, then resource, right? So boolean is basically true and false. So array, this example of array. So now let's see, we have a core variable, and it's an array. So array is defined by an array, then the value. So this print, right? So array is start from this is a position, but it starts from 0, 0, 1, 2. So in array, in 0 position we have Volvo, in 1 we have BMW, and in 2 we have Toyota. So if we pardon, it will print the output of this car variable, which is an array, that is Volvo, BMW, and Toyota. So this is the array type in PHP. So this is This basically covers the